Hello everyone, my name is Janister M. Simo and we and this is the report of Group 9, the United States of America Police Organization. So please listen to our report. Thank you.
Brief history. The history of policing in the United States is a complex and multifaceted one, shaped by various social, political, and cultural factors. From its early roots in colonial watch system and slave patrols to the modern era of community policing and the technological advancement, the organization and practices of law enforcement have undergone significant transformation. Nagsimula ang United States Police Organization noong 1838, kung saan itinatag ang kauna-unahang police department sa Boston noong 1838. Sumunod dito ang New York at Philadelphia. Hango ito sa modelo ng London Metropolitan Police para tugunan ang lumalalang krimen sa mga lungsod noong 90s. Pinangunahan ni August Vollmer ang reforma para gawing mas professional ang pulis gamit ang edukasyon at technology. Noong 1860s to 70s, lumakas ang mga panawagan para sa accountability dahil sa civil rights movement. Dito, nagsimulang gamitin ang community policing. Sa kasalukuyan, mahigit 18,000 na hiwa-hiwalay at independent na law enforcement agencies sa lokal, estado at federal na antas sa bansa. Mission: to protect lives, property, enforce law while upholding Constitution. Vision: building a strong community partnerships and providing a safe and secure environment. Motto: to protect and to serve. While not a single universally adopted motto for all police agencies, is the most widely recognized and reflects the core purpose of law enforcement. Mandate: building strong community partnerships and providing a safe and secure environment. Structure: the U.S. Police Organization is highly decentralized, with various levels of law enforcement operating at the federal, state, county, and local levels. This structure reflects a long-standing emphasis on local control and a general aversion to centralized police force. The United States is considered decentralized in terms of police organization because law enforcement authority is spread across multiple independent agencies at the federal, state, and local levels. Each agency operates under its own jurisdiction and policies, rather than being controlled by a central national police force. Local police departments like city or municipal police, county sheriff's offices, state police or highway patrol, and various federal law enforcement agencies like the FBI or DEA. All function separately with limited overlap and coordination. The structure reflects the U.S. system of federalism, where the power is divided between national and state governments. Here is a basic structure of the U.S. Police Organization showing its decentralized system across different levels of government. First is federal level, handles national and interstate crimes. Agencies include FBI, DEA, ATF, U.S. Marshals, Homeland Security. State level operates with each state handling highway patrol and state law enforcement.
USA Police Governance. The United States law enforcement ranking model is generally quasi-military in structure. Each level of law enforcement, federal, state, and local, has its own rank structure and insignia, and this vary considerably from agency to agency. The first is federal. The U.S. Department of Justice and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, or DHS, contain multiple law enforcement agencies and are the largest federal departments responsible for law enforcement. However, other governmental departments and agencies have law enforcement bodies. Example: United States Border Patrol. Rank: the first is Chief of the Border Patrol, and the second is the Deputy Chief of the Border Patrol. Third, Chief Patrol Agent. Fourth, Deputy Chief Patrol Agent. Fifth, Assistant Chief Patrol Agent in charge. Sixth, Deputy Patrol Agent in charge watch commander. Seventh, Special Operations Supervisor. Eighth, Supervisor Border Patrol Agent. Ninth, Border Patrol Agent or Sector Programs. And the last is Border Patrol Agent. And the second is the state. State law enforcement agencies often have a pronounced paramilitary rank structure with rank titles such as Colonel, Lieutenant, Colonel, Major, Captain, Lieutenant, Staff Sergeant, Sergeant, Corporal, and Trooper. Example: Alabama Highway Patrol. Rank: Director or Colonel, Assistant Director or Lieutenant Colonel, Chief or Major, Captain, Lieutenant, Sergeant, Corporal, Senior Trooper, and the last is Trooper. Municipal or City. Municipal or city police departments can use paramilitary ranks or more distinct police ranks, or a certain combination of both. Example: Aurora Police Department, Colorado. Rank: Chief of Police, Deputy Chief, Division Chief, Commander, Captain, Lieutenant, Sergeant, Police Agent, Police Officer. USA Police Governance. Ang USA Police Governance may tatlo tanang antas nga nagapatupad kang batas sa USA. Ang federal, state kag municipal or city. Ang kadasaran damay may kanya-kanya sanda nga sistema kag nga nga ranggo nga palatandaan ranggo nga maaari sanda nga nga magkaiba depende sa may ahensya. Ang federal amuya ang pangunahing mga departamento kang pamalaan nga responsable sa pagpatupad kang batas sa may bilog nga bansa. May dyan man nga iba nga ahensya nga or kaga departamento kang gobyerno nga may sarili sanda nga kapulisan o taga pagpatupad kang batas. Ang example na ang United States Border Patrol nga may highest rank nga Chief of the Border Patrol kag may lowest rank nga Border Patrol Agent. Ang pangarwa nga antas ang state. Ang state amuya ang karaniwan nga nga mga struktura nga pang militar gamit ang mga ranggo patas kang colonel, lieutenant, colonel, major, captain, lieutenant, staff sergeant, sergeant, corporal, kag trooper. Ang example na ang Alabama Highway Patrol rank nga may pinakataas nga rank nga director, pag may pinaka baba nga rank nga trooper. Ang pangatlo nga state ang ang antas ang municipal or city. Amo yang ang mga pulisya sa lungsod o munisipyo nga pwedeng gumamit ka mga ranggo nga pang militar o mga ranggo kang pulisya o pwede man nga dapuanan nga ranggo kang militar o pulisya. May pinataas niya rank nga ang chief of police kag ang pinakamababang rank na ang police officer.
Next is police qualification and trainings. And in general requirements, he or she is physically and mentally healthy, and applicants who have been served in the military must have been honorably discharged and may not have been convicted of driving while intoxicated, and must hold a valid license for at least 3 years prior to application and have a driving record. Ginamin kami not have been convicted of driving while intoxicated kay ora pag inom nga lingin kag may lisensya tana for at least 3 years kag may professional record tana sa pag-drive. And dapat kailangan US citizen tana kag at least kailangan 21 years old tana, age 21 years of age. Kag kung sa laki ang height kailangan 5'8", kag kung sa bahay kailangan 5'6", kag have at least 20/20 vision uncorrected or 20/20 corrected by glasses. Dapat sanag ang panulak na ginamit na sa akin lang man, kag is able to distinguish colors kag bukod na color blind. And applicants should have no criminal conviction, although some misdemeanor crimes may bar application from law enforcement position, or wala na ti criminal record or bisan gamay lang mga misdemeanor crimes, criminal record wala na ti gamo sa andang lugar mura. And all applicants are expected to be free from drug use, be a good moral character, and have personal integrity. Kag wala ta na pag droga or may good moral tana kag may personal integrity. And no applicant should have any history of criminal or improper conduct, have a poor employment record, or have a irresponsible financial history. It means wala ta na ti criminal or mga improper conduct na record like that, kag kwanta na masarigan or bukat ang kurangan nga pag employment, kag bukat na nagastador sa mga bagay-bagay amura. And generally, applicants should at least have grade equivalency or high school diploma. However, some departments such as that in Dallas, Texas are requiring 60 or more hours of completed college coursework. Next, performances. Next is performances. Measuring the performance of U.S. police organization involves assessing various aspects including crime rates, response times, public trust, and effectiveness of policing strategies. While there is no universally accepted framework, agencies often use a combination of metrics including crime-specific performance, cost effectiveness, and qualitative feedback from the community. Some departments are also exploring innovative data sources like may camera sa andang alawas, kag automatic vehicle locator data. Daw amo ka na.
And the group of this presentation is John Lester M. Saimo, Aldrin Gatdula, and Jemar Gonzalez. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from our report. Thank you.